Let's make some pasta carbonara. We're going to start by cutting up some thick cut bacon into bite-sized pieces. While that's cooking, we're going to grate up some Parmesan cheese. Traditionally, you can use pecorino, but we couldn't find any. Next, we're going to cook our pasta. We're going to add some salt to that. While that's cooking, we're going to get our eggs separated. We have 2 full eggs and 2 egg yolks. We're going to take our cheese, our black pepper, and we're going to mix that up really well. Once our spaghetti's done cooking, we're going to take it straight into that pan that the bacon was cooking in. We're going to try to get some pasta water in there as well while we're doing that. Then we're going to add our egg mixture. The residual heat is going to continue to cook this sauce until it becomes really thick and creamy. If you've never had carbonara, I highly recommend it. This was our first time doing it and it went really well. This is a super easy meal. I highly recommend it, and you can find the full recipe on our website.